Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the ModeMagic badges for your store in Shopify. So the first thing you're going to do is just simply click here, add application, and let's just wait until it loads. Then click install app, and here we go. So it's going to load for a while, and here we are. So welcome to ModeMagic. What can we help you with today? We can highlight unique product features or automate badges across your store. So I'm going to with this one, the highlight unique product features. And now you're gonna have you're gonna have products here. I have the product, this one here. So what you can do is to simply have a gift card here, and you can simply add whatever badge you want. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. So we're gonna have the old ones here, or free badges, 4th of July, Pride Month, apparel. And there are really good ones here. So you can really use it for your own store, which one suits you the best. So beauty and cosmetics, pets. So let's say that if I would be selling some, let's say, products for pets, toys, hardware and tools, spring sale. So I can just simply click this one here. Then I got the under badges here. You can create your own badge if you want to. So that's another thing that you can do. But let's say that I'm going to have a sale, and you can change also the position here and size if it's going to be small, large, and then simply click update the product and apply to products. If you can have more products on the right side, you can simply click it and choose all the products you want. And that's pretty much it. So how we do it, it's going to get updated. And that's pretty much it. So yep, we got it. I would go to products, gift card, and here I say it's special offer, right? So I can simply go and view it, and voila, here we got the special offer. So this is how you can use the ModeMagic for product labels for Shopify. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.